Congratulations on your purchase of a new hen hut, do-it-yourself chicken coop from Apex Shed Company. Your kit will come looking something like this and will include everything you need to install your flock's new home, except the nails to install your shingle. Begin by organizing all components of your kit, ensuring each part is easily identifiable. Begin by positioning the end wall containing the smaller chicken door at the end of the base where the ramp bracket is already installed. Align the ends of the wall with the marks on the floor so that it is 1.5 inches from the edges of the floor. Ensure that the wall is tight to the floor in both directions and attach the wall to the floor with the 4 screws provided. Determine your coop's orientation and place either sidewall on the floor adjacent to the end wall so that the trim overlaps the siding on the end walls. Ensure the wall is tight to the floor in both directions, then attach the wall to the floor with the 4 screws provided. Ensure the 2 walls are tightly aligned at the corner and secure them together using the 3 provided screws. Remember, you can adjust the orientation of your coop by swapping the sidewalls to suit your preferences. Position the end wall containing the nesting boxes adjacent to the sidewall you just installed and slide it tight to the sidewall, ensuring that the siding slides behind the trim pieces on the end of the sidewall. Make sure the wall is tight to the floor and tight in the corners, then attach it to the floor using the 4 black screws provided through the bottom edge of the siding. You can paint these screws afterwards to make them less visible. Ensure the 2 walls are tightly aligned at the corner and secure them together using the 2 provided screws. Position the 4th and final wall in place, making sure the trim overlaps the ends of the end walls you have already installed. To install the final wall, enter the coop through the man door and complete the assembly from inside. Attach the wall to the floor with the 2 screws provided. Again, ensure the walls are tightly aligned at the corners and secure them together using the screws provided. Notice the small cleats attached to the peaks of each end wall. These are used to assist you while installing your roof panels. You will notice that the 2 roof panels are slightly different. One features an overlap of roof sheeting on one side of the frame, while the other is flush with the frame on all 4 sides. Begin with the panel that is flush with the frame and place it over the cleats so that the installed trim is on the bottom edge and the cleats are holding it in place. As before, you will need to complete the installation of the roof panel from inside the coop. Secure the roof panel to the top of the wall framing with the screws provided. Make sure the roof panel is tight to the top of the wall frame before securing with the screws. It is always best to have two people to install the last roof panel, with one person lifting and holding the roof panel in place while the other one secures it from inside. Fasten the two roof panels together at the peak with the screws provided. Complete the roof panel installation by securing the panel to the top of the wall framing as shown with the screws provided. You are now ready to begin the installation of your door hardware. Feed the shaft of the T-handle through the hole in the door and attach it to the door with the black screws provided. If you have a standard chicken door, you will need to repeat these processes for that hardware as well. Place the inside handle over the shaft and secure it with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. You are now ready to install your roosting bars. This process is shown without the roof in place to make it easier to demonstrate how this is done, but it is usually done after the roof panels are in place. Attach the roosting bars in the desired positions with the provided screws. Place the ramp over the ramp bracket. You are now ready to complete your coop by installing your roofing. You will have two drip edge cap pieces that will be installed over the peaks on each end of your coop. Attach these with the 8 panhead screws provided. Separate your roofing materials into 3 piles. These are your ridge cap pieces that will be used to seal the peak of your roof after your shingles are installed. You will also be provided with starter shingles that will be used to start the bottom edge of your shingles on each side of the roof. Notice the tar strip on the bottom edge. This will help secure your shingles to keep them from blowing off in strong winds. Nail this shingle to the roof directly above the tar strip. Using a hook blade, cut about 6 inches off the end of the first shingle and place it directly on top of the starter shingle so that the bottom and left edges are flush. Continue layering shingles, making sure that each seam is staggered at least 6 inches from the row below. Use a hook blade to cut the shingles to length as needed. Separate your ridge cap shingles at the perforated lines and install them by nailing just above the tar strip on each side of the ridge. Overlap each shingle along the ridge so that they cover the nails on the previous shingle. To address scuffs or scratches from transportation and installation, touch up these areas with the provided paint. Ensure the area is clean and dry before application for optimal results, and enjoy your new Coop.